Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because this reading is not for all Scorpios. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please, use your own discernment. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys that the energy of this reading could be reversal. And it could also be that your energy is not involved in this reading. So please, take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest. Let me see your card readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see your energy. First, we have the King of Swords. This is an air sign energy. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could be that you are dealing with an air sign. Could also be that you are attracting an air sign or a person who has an authority. And this person in the past wants to control you because this is the past situation. Could also that this is the hacker in the net. For some of you guys, you are exposing the truth of the past people. Especially those people who betrayed you, who backstabbed you, who tried to manipulate you, who put you in a third-party situation, who are spreading lies and rumors about you, who control your own destiny, and you are exposing this person or group of people in the past. They are triggered with the truth about you. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Could also that you are dealing with a person who is in the court or having an authority. Could also be a police officer. I don't know what this is all about. Somebody here is triggered with your truth. They wants to stop you from telling the truth. Could also that these are the past people. Others of you, of course, you knew the truth. You are not scared to tell the truth. You are not also scared to cut off the ties of some people who are not true to you behind your back. Those people who are pretending that they are your family, your friends, or your allies. But the truth are not. Those people who are slandered your name and tarnish your reputation for whatever reason. It's because if you are innocent in this situation, jealousy and envy reigns in their ugly poor hearts. They have seen your strength, that you are strong. It could also be that you are dealing with person or group of people who are also strong, who has an authority, but they are not satisfied with their power. This could also be a group of people or a person who is power hungry. They have seen that you are the truth because you are too strong. And that's why this person wants to stop you to tell the truth. But for you, only the truth will set you free. I don't think that they control your life because you are divinely protected here with Archangel Michael. You could be a chosen one, an earth angel, or a spiritual warrior for some of you. Of course, not all of you. If you are a Scorpio on the right path, this is your readings. Because I said this is not for all Scorpio. Could be that you are dealing with a person who has an authority, who tried to control you in the past, or you are attracting a new person who embodied the energy of an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be that this person is intimidated with your strength. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Six of Pentacles. This is an earth sign energy, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could be that you are dealing or attracting an earth sign for some of you, of course, not all of you. Could also be a group of 6 people. This could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. This is your present energy. You want balance. You want give and take. You are tired of giving, and you are not receiving. Not only you are not receiving anything, but this person or group of people aren't reciprocating your value, because they took your kindness as your weakness. Could also be that somebody here is scam you with money. It could also be an investment, or somebody here is scam you with a financial matters. Could also be that you are engaged in a charity or an organization, and you are the one who is always pouring money into this organization. Could also be a charity. Others of you, it could also be that you are the one who is working in this relationship in the past, and the other person or the other group aren't reciprocating your value. And that's why you want balance in this new era of your life, because you realize that balance is the key. You are no longer generous with this person or group of people in the past, because you have learned your lesson. You want give and take. It could also be that they viewed you that you have balance, despite of trying to control you in the past. Could be your work, your business. I don't know what is the nature of your job. This is related to your legacy, to your work. I don't think that they succeed, because as I have said, you are divinely guided here. This could be your birthright, and that's why they are trying to control you. You have balance in your life, despite of what they have done on you in the past. Now, you are no longer generous to this person or group of people, because you already supported them. You are tired and sick, because they are not reciprocating your value. Instead, they backstab you. That's why you become this energy of the King of Swords, because you have gone through a lot of pain. This is not a joke. All the people, almost all the people in your life betrayed you, and you couldn't believe. Because for some of these people, guys, these are the people you are supporting with financial matters. Not only financial matters, but you nurture the relationship of this person. You are always there to support them. And that they betrayed you because of your kindness, your compassion, and your generosity towards them. They took your kindness as your weakness. Could also be that they betrayed you for a minimum of 6 years, 6 months, or 6 weeks. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 6. You could be born on the 6th of the month. You could be born on 1966, or you could be 66 years old if you're watching tarot. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you guys, this is related to your abundance, your success. And I feel like there are people nowadays who are feeling entitled to your legacy, to your work, because you are no longer supporting them. You are no longer engaging your energy to them. The fact is, they want to outbalance your life by controlling your work, your legacy, your business. I don't know what this is all about. And they are the one who are unbalanced now. For some of these people, guys, they are experiencing financial loss. They have seen that you have balance despite of what they have done to you in the past, to control your destiny, to swap your destiny. Could be that you are dealing with an earth sign, or you are attracting an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also that this person wants to give you balance, give and take. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Ace of Wands. This is the future energy. This is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a younger person, younger than you. Or you are younger than this person. For some of you, this is your energy. You are very inspired. You are very passionate and driven. And you are accepting this challenge because there is fire in your heart. You feel like enthusiastic in everything you do. And that's why you are creating, or you are going to receive this creative spark, which is going to offer to you to somebody else. Could be a fire sign, an earth sign, or an air sign. Could also that this offer will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. Others of you, I feel like this person is desiring you. This person is attracting you. This person is adoring you. This person is mesmerizing your aura. Not only your aura, because I feel like for most of you guys, you're so magnetic, passionate, and driven. It could also that there are lots of people who are adoring you. Not only your passion, but your creativity and your strength. Take only what fits in your story. This is the future. Could also that this person wants to flirt with you. Remember, if a person is adoring you or desiring you, it doesn't mean that the person loves you. This could only be for some of you guys, of course not all of you, this could only be a fling, an adventure, or a one-night stand. Somebody here is desiring you. Could be a fire sign, younger fire sign, an earth sign, or an air sign. Take only what fits in your story, and let me see the outcome of this reading. The Ace of Pentacles. Oh my gosh, I love this card for you guys. You are opening the doors of golden opportunity because you have that key to open the doors of golden opportunity. This is related to material world, a career, a business, an investment, or a creativity. For some of you guys, I feel like this is a new beginning. This is a blissful life. This is your powerful new beginnings because you have lots of golden opportunities in your life. This is the outcome. And I feel like you have a new beginnings of passion and desire, and a new beginnings of creativity and investment. This is related to material world. Could also be that somebody here wants to offer you. You have lots of offer here. You look golden opportunity, your lucky breaks. They have seen your lucky breaks because the Ace of Wands could also be a lucky breaks. They have seen your lucky breaks, and you are going to receive lots of offers, a golden opportunity. This is related to material world. Could also be that somebody here wants to offer you something and to work with you, or this person is desiring you and they wants to work with you as well. I don't know what this is all about. This could be a powerful new beginning. You have two powerful beginning here. This is your lucky breaks and a golden opportunity because you hold that key. You decline those past people to give the key of your own destiny because they tried to control you. Now they are feeling powerless, and that's why they want to offer you this golden opportunity. Could also that this person or a group of people in the past viewed you that you cannot create something. They didn't see your value. Now they have seen that you have lots of golden opportunity, and aside from that, you have lucky breaks. That's why for some of these people, guys, they want to give you balance. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the King of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more about the King of Swords in this reading. Why the King of Swords here, please? Oh my gosh. It is clarified as letter. Somebody here wants to send you a letter or will send you through an email. Could be a correspondence. Could also be that this is through your WhatsApp, your messenger. I don't know. In any kind of communication. Somebody here wants to send you a message. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also that this person having an authority. Could also that this person is a CEO, a police officer, a lawyer. I don't know. Somebody here wants to send you a message. This person wants to tell you the truth. This person wants or planning and strategizing on how to approach you because they viewed you that you are cut off, your guards up. And aside from that, this person wants to tell you the truth because they viewed you as a strong person. It could also that this person in the past realized now that they couldn't control you. They couldn't manipulate you because you knew the truth, and now they wants to tell you the truth to give you balance, clarity as well. It could also be that somebody here, well, there could be a truth here is going to expose about somebody else. And this could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It could also be a collaboration of 6 people, and their secrets now are going to expose because this is the harsh truth. You give this person, a group of people, a cold shoulder. You cut this person, a group of people out of your life because you are tired and sick. You don't care with them anymore because you block this person, a group of people in your social media and in your mobiles. Because in the past, you are always supporting them. You are always the one who give this relationship balance, but we are not reciprocating your support and your value. And now somebody here wants to send you a message. Could also be that this is the truth. Somebody here will send you a message. This is related to the truth about what they have done to you in the past. Could also be that they betrayed you. Somebody have betrayed you, put you in a third-party situation, backstabbing you, spreading lies and rumors about you. There could be related to lies, trickery, and manipulation. Is going to expose her through a letter, an email. I don't know what this is all about. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the King of Swords in this reading? Oh my gosh. Why the King of Swords, sir, please? The King of Swords is clarified as the Meerjungfrau. This is a German language which stands for the mermaid. The universe advises you to let go of this person because you have nothing to do with them anymore. They wants to send you a message, but I don't think that you are going to engage your energy to them. This is the past person for some of you. It could also be a new person. But this person, this is a new person, there is a truth hidden in this person. And the universe advises you to let go of the past. To let go of the flows. It's just like the mermaid. Could also be that this person wants to tell you the truth and wants to give you balance. Could also that this is a new person or a past person. I don't know what this is all about. And the universe advises you to let go of the things that you cannot control and surrender it to the Divine Most High. Because the King of Swords could be the energy of Archangel Michael, who is taking your battles. You don't have to worry here because you are divinely guided and protected. You could be a spiritual warrior, an earth angel, or a chosen one. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me, Father. Why the 6 of Pentacles here? This is the present energy. Tell me more about the 6 of Pentacles in this reading, please, for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the 6 of Pentacles here, please? It is clarified as ring. Somebody here wants to marry you, to engage you. Could be an earth sign or an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Somebody here viewed you as a marriage material, and this person wants to give you balance, wants to tell you the truth, the harsh truth. There could be a secret behind this person. I don't know, but this person wants to tell you the truth, or you knew the truth about this person. And this person wants to give you balance. I don't know what this is all about. If you are a single Scorpio, somebody who wants to marry you, to give you balance, and to be true to you. Because this person viewed you that you are the divine counterpart. Both of you are strong. Both of you are logical. Because you have learned your lesson. And that's why the people in the past, you cut off the ties and you give them a cold shoulder. You are tired and sick. You have gone through a lot of pain. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why? Why the Six of Pentacles, sir? Please tell me more about the Six of Pentacles in this reading. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, it is clarified as water. There could be a water. There could be a significant meaning for you with water here, or you are attracting or dealing a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And this person wants to give you balance. This person have seen the truth of what has happened to you in the past. Maybe you tell this person, or maybe you expose the truth about the past people, and this person wants to give you balance. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Because they have seen the truth. Maybe you are the one who exposed the truth. I don't know what this is all about. And somebody who wants to give you balance. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the Six of Pentacles in this reading, please? Why the Six of Pentacles in this reading? Oh my gosh. It is clarified as clinging, holding on, obsessing, spying. I told you. Somebody here is obsessed on you. They keep on tabs on you like 24 hours. They're watching you like a hawk. This person could be either a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or there could be lots of people who are obsessed on you. It's because you are standing on your higher truth. Could also that you are exposing the past trickery, manipulation of all the people you have experienced. And that's why they viewed you as a cold-hearted person. You are defensive and cut off. Because for you, only the truth will set you free. But there are lots of people who are obsessed on you. They are clinging on your energy. Could be an ex or a new person. They couldn't let you go. If this is your ex, they're still holding back on your energy. Your ex couldn't let you go. They're still clinging your energy. If this is a new person or new people, they are obsessing on you because of your strength and because of your creativity, which is related to your work, your passion and desire. And that's why lots of people who are captivating on your passion and desire. They have seen as well that you have lots of golden opportunity, that you are opening the doors of golden opportunity. And that's why could be lots of people are obsessed and spying on you through your social media. If you don't have, they're spying on you outside your home. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father, why the Ace of Wands in this reading? Why the Ace of Wands, sir? Please tell me more about the Ace of Wands in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as distance, separation, space, blockage. For some of you guys, you are no longer dealing with this person anymore. You put blockage in this situationship and this relationship, if this is the past people. Could also be that you are living far away from this person or group of people. Could also be that you put distance. You are living nearer, but you have nothing to do with them because they mess you up. They tried to control your destiny. And they are backstabbing you. And aside from that, this person or group of people are power hungry. They want your power because they have seen that you are strong. Their power is not enough for them. This is related to power hungry and money hungry. And that's why they tried to control your destiny in the past. But Archangel Michael takes over your battles. This is your birthright and no one can control this. And that's why this person or group of people wants to return to give you balance if these are the past people. You look. Could be as well that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And they want to offer you with this creative spark. But they are far away from you, or They viewed you that you are defensive, and you put blockage on the situation. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the Ace of Wands in this reading? Please tell me more about the Ace of Wands in this reading. Oh my gosh. It is clarified as the phoenix. The phoenix rising from the ashes, never destroyed, only transformed. Oh my gosh. I love this card for you guys. This is your powerful new beginning, your transformation and rebirth. And you manage to leave those people behind who tried to control your destiny, who backstab you, who slandered your name, who put you in a third-party situation, etc. All the pain. You said goodbye. Game over. I am not dealing with you all anymore, because you are now spreading your wings. You are the phoenix. Could be a fellow Scorpio is involved in the situation. Could also that this is a new person, and this person wants to be the part of your new beginning. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Could also be that there is a significant meaning for you with the number 13. This is your major arcana, the death card. You could be born on the 13th of the month, or you could be 31 years old. I don't know what this is all about. This is your powerful new beginning. And congratulations, because you did it, Scorpio. There could also be a major upheaval here, a separation or a loss. There are people who are mourning of your loss because they lost the person who is always supporting and nurturing them. And that's why they are lonely. They are mourning of your loss. It's just like when somebody passed away. You mourn because of the memories of a certain person. You know why? Because they tried to control and swap your destiny. They couldn't do it because this is not for them. This is divinely given to you. This is your birthright. Because of jealousy and envy, because of power hungry and money hungry. And now they are mourning because you are not the same person before. For you, this person or group of people in the past didn't exist anymore. They push you through the limits. That's why you are in this energy of the King of Swords. It could also be that they use their influential person, their influence, in order to mock you down in the past. But since you are divinely guided and protected with Archangel Michael, and that's why you passed the test, and you have here a powerful new beginning. Congratulations. In the past, I feel like this person, a group of people, wishing your downfall. For some of these people, guys, they engage you to abracadabra, cast spells, black magic. They wish your death. They wish your permanent ending. They wish that you will meet an accident. They wish that you will sick. You will ill. But it didn't happen because this person, a group of people who wish your death, backfires on them. How could they wish your death when you are the death in the tarot card? You have an authority to wish this person a death wish, but you didn't do, especially if you are on the right path. And now, everything they wish on you backfires on them because whatever energy they give on you, return back to them. Could also be that you said return back to sender. And they are now who is mourning. One of their karma is mourning of losing you. One of their karma is separation. They couldn't have you in their lives. The person who always support them, who always nurture the relationship in times of crisis, they lost this person, and that's you. Because you are no longer the same person before. You are already transformed. If this is a new person, could be that you are attracting or dealing a fellow Scorpio, and they wants to have a new beginning. They wants to be the part of your new beginning. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why? Why the Ace, sorry guys, why the Ace of Pentacles in this reading? Why the Ace of Pentacles here? Please tell me more about the Ace of Pentacles. It is clarified as the K. I told you. You hold the key of the golden opportunity, and no wonder that these people in the past wants to control you. Because this person or group of people could be the monitoring spirits of the darkness, and they have seen that the key to a golden opportunity is in you. That's why they are triggered. Now you are exposing the truth, or you exposed the truth in the past about this person. I don't know what is the nature of your job. They are triggered. Because aside from you are strong, you hold the key of the golden opportunity. Because they failed to take it from you. You know why? Archangel Michael protecting and guiding your journey. I told you, for some of you guys, you could be a chosen one, an earth angel, or a spiritual warrior. And this person or group of people have seen inside you. That's your light. And that's why they are triggered. And they have seen that you have the key to this golden opportunity. And that's why in the past they tried to control you. For some of these people guys, they are hurting you without any reason. It could also be that one of this person or group of people is your ex. And you are so good with your ex. But they are triggered because you are too strong to be controlled. And aside from that, there is something inside you that your ex wants to have and to take it from you. And that's your golden opportunity, the key. And your ex betraying you, because the only way to hurt you is to betray you with another partner. And that's why they did everything. They betrayed you, they backstab you, they tried to manipulate you, they gaslight you, they control you. For some of these people, they are narcissists, manipulative, cunning, and toxic. But despite of what they have done to you, it didn't work because you are divinely guided and protected with Archangel Michael. Their influences didn't work. This is over. This is game over. And now, you have lots of golden opportunity because you hold that key to a golden opportunity. You could be born on the 1933. You could be 33 years old for some of you. There could be a significant meaning for you with this number. For some of you, this is related to your creativity. And you have that key. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, open the door because it will lead you to success, blessings, abundance. Because this person, a group of people, couldn't control you anymore. Yeah, look. If this is related to your creativity, there is growth here and you are halfway there. No one can control your destiny because this is divinely given to you. It could also be that this person, a new person, wants to approach you. Because this person wants to harvest your energy. Be very careful because this is only a fling or a one-night stand. Or they are only eyeing your money. They are only pretending that they are going to offer you something. Of course, I never say all. Could be that this is a young person or you are younger than them. Because they have seen your golden opportunity. This is the outcome. You open the doors of golden opportunity because you have that key to succeed. The reason why lots of people are obsessed on you, spying and clinging on your energy, and includes your ex. I'm sorry, ex, but you don't want to return because you are enough with your ex. Your ex caused you too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. Your ex betraying you with another partner. The fact is, your ex loves you, but they couldn't have your power. They perceive you as a threat, and that's why they hurt you. They betrayed you. They put you in a third-party situation, and now they are clinging your energy, your ex. There are also lots of people who are obsessed on your strength, your creativity, your passion, that you are driven, your strength. They couldn't match your strength, and you have that key to the golden opportunity. I love this reading for you guys. While your ex is holding on, spying and obsessing on you, clinging, still clinging in your energy. Of course, there are lots of people as well who are obsessed on your energy, but you are doing your work here, and you are opening the doors of golden opportunity. You already spread your wings. rise from the, rise from the, rise from the ashes, and rise, sorry guys, rise like a phoenix. This is a song of the Eurovision Song Contest winner Conchita Wurst in Austria. If you have time, you can hear this song. The title is Rise Like a Phoenix. This is, the singer is Conchita Wurst, an Austrian singer, and he or she won the Eurovision Song Contest winner. And this reading is for you guys. You better hear the song Rise Like a Phoenix. Oh my gosh! And the energy involved in this reading are the Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a fellow Scorpio, and a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.